Cancer, Cancer, Cancer. October 1 to 7. Yeah? Welcome po sa Corpse Work Tarot. Oops. Welcome po. Another weekend na naman po tayo, mga kapatid na Cancer. Shout out po ako sa mga OFW. Yes, kamusta po ang mga OFW na kapatid ko rin? So, sa mga bago pong nanonood, OFW din po ako. Yeah. So, alam ko yung mga pinagdadaanan ng mga OFW. Yes? So, sana po ay nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan. Happy, healthy, at walang problema. Yeah? Yun ang gusto natin. Yun ang ating wish fulfillment. At dumami pa ang ating blessing. Siyempre, magpapasko. Correct? Magpapasko, Cancer. So, maraming gastos. Alam na yan. So, another weekend po. Weekend ko lang po ginagawa yung aking tarot reading. Weekend or sa gabi after kung mag-dinner. So, ito yung aking outlet to chillax at bago matulog. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay. Cancer. Okay. Card mo ito Ano ba yung reading ni Cancer last week? The other week? I think, very powerful na naman yung energy mo eh. Alam mo yung nasa lahat tayo meron tayong yung moment na we feel we know what we are, who we are, and kung ano yung gusto natin. So decision, alam mo kung sa kapatungo. Yung ganon, yung confidence. Okay, once na yung energy natin nandyan sa center, nasa balance, nasa maganda yung tulog, consider it that way. At maski na madaming problema, alam mo makakapag-decide ka ng tama at wala kang takot. Yeah? Meron ba ganyang Cancer? So, nasa yung power mo nahawak mo. Okay? Ikaw yung nagdadrive dun sa dalawang Sphinx. Okay? Kayo dyan, tabi-tabi kayo dyan, dadaan si Cancer. Yeah? Ganyan ang energy ni Cancer. October 1 to 7. Tingnan natin yung makikita natin Cancer kung sino ang lifeline. Kaninong lifeline atong Cancer na ito. Okay, mukhang reverse ito. Yes, okay. Siguro ito, ibinigay talaga ng reverse. Lumipad ng pabaliktad Okay? Nakapag-decision ka na. I don't think na you care anymore. Mga bagay na hindi ka masaya, yung mga choices na hindi ka masaya, yung mga kapaligiran mo na hindi ka masaya. Cancer, water sign, fellow water sign ko rin yan. So, ayaw mo na. Okay? Napuno ka na. Okay? Ihiwalay mo yung puti sa decolor na labada. Okay? Pupunta tayo doon sa mall at magsa-shopping. Ganyan yan. Sige, gumastos tayo kung kailangan natin gumastos. Okay? Yan yan. Walang emotion. Walang emotion. Okay? Determinado ka na kung pupunta tayo sa kanan, okay, pumunta na tayo sa kanan. Kung pupunta ka sa kaliwa, punta tayo sa kaliwa. Yeah. Okay? Sumunod kayo sa akin. Yeah. Okay? Yan ang energy ni Cancer. Meron ba ganyang Cancer? Kung baga sa kontrolado mo yung emotion mo rito. Okay? October 1 to 7. Okay. Malakit yung baraha. Malakit yung baraha. Kasi yung dinadasal-dasal mo, mukhang nakikita mo na or hindi ka na affected. Hindi ka na affected sa dinesisyonan mo, kumbaga sa ano natapos na, pinirmahan na yung kontrata, yung agreement, may seal of approval, doon na tayo. Yeah? Iwanan na yung mga mabigat na dalahin, yung emotional baggage na tinatawag. Bayaran na natin toong utang, okay? Yan. Tanggapin ko na itong bagong trabaho, okay? Natanggap na ako mag-a-apply na ako. Okay? Yan. Ipapadala ko na yung CV ko, okay? So, energy ni Cancer, October 1 to 7. October 1 to 7. So, malapit, okay, yes. Gusto mo ng expansion. Expansion in a way na, okay, if it's expansion sa sarili, ito yung tipong, okay, bakit hindi ko, simpleng ano lang, expansion. Yung dating hindi mo ginagawa, gagawin mo na. Yes? Ito yan. Aalis ka sa comfort zone mo. Kung mahiyain ka, ikaw na mismo yung magbibigay ng signal. Kasi hindi, babagal-bagal sila eh, okay? Meron kang nakursanadahan, ay, gusto ko yun, crush ko siya, okay? Ngayon, hindi ka pinapansin, maski na anong ginagawa mo. So, ikaw na. Kasi, you gonna take action. And you gonna be victory. Yeah, you're the star. You're the star. Okay. Ano ito, Cancer? This is a successful grupo ito ng Cancer na nagse-celebrate now. Dahil tama yung decision mo. Hindi mo na sinayang yung drama, emosyon, nag-decision ka. Binatukan mo yung dalawang kabayo dito na sumasayaw, pupunta sa kanan, pupunta sa kaliwa. Sinabi mo sa kanila na dumiretso tayo. Dumiretso ka. Bahala na si Batman. Yung success mo. Okay? Success, definition mo natin ng success, iba-iba, makukuha mo siya. Nandyan na siya. Okay? Kung dati natatakot kang, let's say, mangutang, kakapalan mo na. Kung dati natatakot ka na makipag-date, ikaw na mismo mag-aaya. Mag-date tayo. Yun ang gusto mo eh. Okay? Walang ano yan. Walang pagdududa. Wala nang paninimbang. Okay? Si Cancer kasi merong ganyan eh. Okay? Oh my goodness. Anong ginagawa ni Cancer? Okay? Positive. Kumbaga sa pregnancy test. Okay? Something to celebrate. It's a victory. It's a victory. Tinanggap mo yung promotion, okay. It's a victory. It's a new journey. Kasi panibagong panimula. Binigay sa'yo ng langit yan. Trabaho, career, natanggap ka na sa, ina-applyan mo as an OFW, pumasa ka sa exam, yung negosyo, na-approve na yung loan, yung binili mong bahay, nakikita mo na yung fruit ng hard work mo. Okay? Victory. Kasi ginawa mo yung desisyon, kung ano mo yung desisyon mo na yun, hindi ka na nagpatumpik-tumpik. Yeah? Kasi pagod na pagod ka na dun sa sa dinadala mo na yon. So, ayaw mo nang mapagod pa at ayaw mo na sayangin yung emosyon mo. Physical pagod, yes. Emotional na drama, no. Willing kang magkumayod, maghirap para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo. Wala ka nang pinagdudahan pa. Yeah? Ano yan? Ano yan, Cancer? Ano yung decision mo na something big? Okay? At tanong ko lang dito is, anong pinanggalingan niyaan? Bakit being cancer na hinahanap mo yung emotional balance, all of a sudden, oh my goodness. Okay. Ano pa hihilingin mo? Ano pa hihilingin mo, Cancer? Do you have Scorpio, Pisces, or another Cancer sa nakapaligid sa'yo? I can see also a Leo. Okay? This is an very independent Cancer. Independent. Hindi ko sinasabi na hindi ka nagdumaan sa butas ng karayom. Okay? I think you've gone through also a lot here. You've gone through a lot. Pero hindi mo na realize na after you switch off your yung ultra dramatic effect mo, things transform. Things transform. You don't even know it. Yeah? You don't even know it. Na yung transformation na ginawa mo, whatever it is, kung dating hindi ka ano ba yung mga simpleng example dito? Anything na you're not comfortable, okay? Umalis ka dun sa comfort zone na yun. Tinransform mo yung sarili mo. Tinransform mo yung sarili mo. Okay? Walang question. Hindi mo na, wala ka na rin, actually, ito yung Cancer na, alam mo yung Cancer, minsan, maski na hindi na siguro Cancer, tayo affected tayo sa sasabihin ng tao. Yeah? Kasi baka sabihin nila, yun, nakakahiya naman. Yes? Ito yung Cancer na sinabi na, ay, wala akong pakialam. Look at that transformation. Okay? Death is transformation. Ito yung very painful transformation. When you say a transformation, hindi ka na babalik pa roon sa dati mong ginagawa. Yeah? Kung ikaw ay tamad, no action, always dependent sa iba, codependency, etc., etc. Ngayon, ikaw na yung magli-lead. You will take the action. You will put ito. Yung mga practical na bagay na kinatatamaran mo or ini-ignore mo, yeah, okay, it's returning back to you. Kasi after your transformation, I think you realize it also na, okay, ina-expect mo yata bumagsak yung punong mangga kapag nakaupo ka lang. No. You did a very huge effort. Inabot mo yung, ikaw na mismo tumayo ka at sinungkit yung mangga. Okay? There's a solid, realistic approach na ginawa ka na hindi ka na nagpatumpik-tumpik. Inano mo yun. Kumbaga sa pagsasaka, kinuha mo yung kalabaw at ikaw na yung nag-araro. Wala kang maasa, mag-aararo Okay? And then you're starting to get to appreciate yung mga ganong bagay. Nakakapagod, yes. Nakakapagod. Pero now, you just realize that decision, it's a transformation. Okay? And you're starting to enjoy it because people are admiring you. Yeah? It's the courage that you have. Courage, yung courage ng kalabaw, Sphinx, at courage, yung tapang. Okay? Kasi nga, palagi ka na lang nakikipaglaban. Ayaw mo na nung ganoon. Nakikipagkompetensya ka. Dati. Ngayon, ayaw mo na. Okay? Ayaw mo na. Kung ayaw mo noong ihinanda ko sa'yo na pagkain, well, magluto ka. That's the Cancer I can see here. Knock na Cancer. Kasi natuto ka na rin sa lesson ng During the transformation na ginagawa mo, okay, inaabot mo you want to achieve that something. I think this is for yourself. Okay? Inuna mo muna yung sarili mo. You have that structure na sinunod. Yeah? Pinagdasal mo rin yan. And it's this is a karma. This is a karma for you, Cancer. You did something. You did something huge. Okay? Both internally na naka-affect out externally. Yeah. Kung dati kang chismosa or puro ka negativity, I think that's you realize na I'm the one pala ang gumagawa ng sarili kong problema. Okay? Nagbago ka actually eh. Ano yung pinagbago mo? Bakit? Ano ka ba noon dati? Ano yung naka-influensya sa'yo? Why you did such huge leap of faith? Yung hindi mo dating ginagawa. All of a sudden, ginawa mo. And you're loving it now. That's a transformation. Kung dati ayaw mong okay. You keep it to yourself for the meantime. You are keeping it to yourself. Kung ano po yung stage natin iba-iba po yun eh. Kung nandun ka sa stage na nararamdaman mo na yung victory, meron kang binago sa sarili mo. Maaaring the way you monetarily natuto ka na magtipid, hindi ka na palagastos ng walang kwenta, natuto ka ng mag-ipon, natuto ka ng magbigay, hindi ka na nagmamaramot. Those are the transformation. Okay? Sorry. And it's not easy. Okay? Because meron kang tinago in the past. Meron kang pinagdamot in the past. Meron kang tinipid in the past. Meron kang pinakaingatan in the past. Yeah? Kung ano man yun, kung ikaw ay taga DPWH, ito yung, oh my goodness, ito yung mga naglalaglagan na. Yeah? Gusto mo na magbago. Kasi, napagod ka na. Napagod ka na magtago. Yeah? Nakuha mo na yung balance na hinahanap mo. So, career-wise, you get the respect na hinahanap mo sa iba. Okay? All of a sudden, it just came. It just came. You get the respect. You get the admiration. You get the tignan ko lang kung nakuha may independence dito. Okay. Kung dating okay, another one. Yung opposite noong dating wala kang wala kang passion, wala kang pangarap, wala kang palagi ka na lang nasa bahay, palagi ka na lang nasa social media, palagi ka na lang nakatunganga. Okay? All of a sudden, nagkaroon ka ng inspiration na lumitaw sa panaginip or sa let me see, inspiration from other people, inspiration from nabuhay ulit yung panaginip, pangarap mo dito eh. Okay? Yung dati mong natutulog na need na dream for yourself. Okay? Parang naniwala ka na ulit sa sarili mo. Meron bang ganyan, Cancer? Naniwala ka ulit sa sarili mo. And that's magical. That's magical. Yeah? Meron ba ganyang cancer? Shout out po ako sa mga OFW. Napakasaya ni ngayon ni cancer. Again, hindi ko pa sinasabi na wag po tayong magsaya or something. Pero itong energy na ito something push you to transform, na magbago ka ng paniniwala, magbago ka ng personal belief. Kasi yun, minsan yung makalumang paniniwala, minsan yun ang humihila sa atin. Tama po ba? Yun ang humihila sa atin. Ngayon, nagkaroon ka ng opportunity at time to be with your friends. Kung sino yung nag-appreciate sa'yo before, yun, mas gusto mo sila yung kasama kaysa yung makipagplastikan ka or, you know, and you can, and what's happening now is, mas nakakatulong ka. I think that even makes you even happier. Ayaw mo na magdamot. Okay? Kung ikaw yung nagdadamot, cancer, nabuhusan ka ng malamig na tubig, na-realize mo na that's not who you are. Okay? Nagkaroon ka ng wake-up call dito Yeah? This is good for career reading kasi alam mo minsan pinagpipilitan natin yung gusto. Okay? That's not transformation. It's your blocking your belief system. Oops. Okay? And it's happening very fast yung news. In-apply ang trabaho dahil nagkaroon ka na ng lakas na loob. So, wait for the news. Wait for the email. Wait for the text message. Kung uso pa yung telegrama, ngayon telegraph na darating na yun. Okay? Meron kang inspired action. So, what is the karma for that? Except, yung reward mo. As simple as that. Yung pinaghirapan mo. You earn it. You earn your place under the sun. You earn it, Cancer. You earn it. Okay? Bumalik ka dun sa paniniwala mo na, alam mo yung, I think nasa Biblia yan. Again, I just want to quote some hindi po ako nagpi-preach or what. You know that childhood, a child's the innocence of the child. Okay? Kasi yung bata walang pride, walang ego. And after you transform yourself, okay, nag-undergo ka ng transformation, it can be a small thing like, nagpakulay ka ng buhok, ito tayo. I was talking about that step. It's the process of going through. Okay? Hindi biro ito. Hindi biro ito. Kaya ka nasa stage ng more openness, more understanding. Okay? Ito yung pagiging maramot, yung pagtsachani-chani. Ngayon, yung maramot na yan, not necessarily na pera maramot. Kung hindi, maramot sa time, maramot sa advice, maramot sa ayaw mo mag-share. That's I don't want to share. Dash. I don't want to give. Dash. Yan. And you starting to open up after you change that attitude. Kasi ikaw rin yung nahirapan. Ikaw rin yung nahirapan, Cancer. Unless you change. Sa mga opisina, di ba, meron tayong mga office mate na maski na wala ka namang ginagawa or wala naman silang ginagawa, you're not happy. Kasi because of that energy, dahil alam mo na, wala ka namang maasahan dito. You know, hindi ka nga inaabala, pero ayaw din nilang tumulong. That's That's the type of energy na I can see here, and you transform. Mm-hmm. You have again the nine here, okay? It's progressing. Yung the things na you want to change kasi mabigat dalhin eh. Okay, from 9 and it becomes 10. Despite that, you have that fire. Yan yung Ace of One. You are holding it to give inspiration. Yeah? Na-realize mo na yung ginagawa mo before is not something scalable. Kumbaga sa negosyo hindi naman pwede itong puro ako na lang ang palaging kakabig. Okay? Hindi naman to ako yung palaging magmamaramot. Okay? I need to give back. I need to take that opportunity. I need to change my mentality. I need to be there during the time na yung mga kaibigan ko ay naghahanap ng emotional support. Yes? And by doing so, ngayon for somebody na alam mo yung pagiging close natin ng ganyan, okay? So, sabi nga yung blessing, ayaw pumunta, ayaw lumipad. Yeah. So, it should be open. Yeah. This is your emotional, kung kay Scorpio ito, yung Ace of Cups mo is filled with a lot of harmony, a lot of love, a lot of joy because what you did or what you're planning to do. Nasa-sense mo yun ang sinasabi ng puso mo, yun ang sinasabi ng headspace mo. You need to go away. You need to get out of that too rigid and too controlling mindset. Yeah? Oh, ang ganda nito Ang ganda nito, Cancer. This is a sana all moment. Okay. Okay. I don't see anything to add here because ilan yung major arcana mo rito? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for major arcana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have the Hermit here. Okay. Nag-undergo ka din ng introspection. In-analyze mo rin yung sarili mo. Okay. Are you planning to go to join the bakit ba ganun pumasok sa ano ko ito? Monastery? Cancer? Nag-soul search ka okay? And you found that happiness is coming within. Okay? This is somebody na winner, victory, because they found themselves. Nakita ko na yan, sinabi ko na nasa ano ka, you found your equilibrium, your mojo, your who you are and what you want. So you're going to that direction of victory. And what is that victory? It can be a victory of achieving your understanding, your real purpose. Okay? Iba-iba po tayo. Iba-iba po tayo. You understand now your purpose. So hindi ka na nagtsatsyana, hindi ka na magmamaramot, hindi ka na magiging nega sa grupo. So magse-share ka na daw ng ng pag nagkape-kape kayo magse-share ka na ng bill. Yeah? Yan. You're not used to that. Hindi ka komportable. Hindi ka komportableng maglibre. Yeah? Hindi ka komportableng makipagkwentuhan sa tao at ma-share mo yung buhay mo kasi very private ka. Yeah? So ngayon, gano'n ka, you open up. Okay. So October 1 to 7. Kulang ako ng 1 card here bago tayo mag oracle card. So this is a winning moment to you, Cancer. Okay? kung you're on a crossroad of making a decision, walang emosyon. That's another thing I can see here. For any Cancer who's undergoing that transformation, I think somebody's telling you to believe that process. Believe that process. Yung universe na rin ang magpo-pull sa'yo doon. So you just need to claim it. Okay? Now, this one, di ko sinasabing nawalan ka ng confidence, but this one is a Cancer who has a full of confidence. Yeah, oh. Grabe din yung mo dito, yung belief mo okay, nung mga bata tayo, palasimba tayo, whatever the church says, we follow. Yeah? Nung nasa eskwelahan tayo, it's a structure. Yeah? You follow the structure. Just follow the structure and you will be fine. You will be fine and blessed. Yeah, nagdadalawang isip ka eh. Actually, dito hindi ko nakita yung pagdadalawang isip. Most likely, there's the time na parang nagdalawang isip ka. Nag-iisip ka na I'm ready to have a kid. I'm ready to open my business. I'm ready to change yung appearance ko. Bibili na ako ng magagandang gamit para I can get the respect. You get the respect here. And not only the respect, but the admiration. Yeah? Okay? Follow daw the dogmas, yung kabataan natin na sinusunod natin, paniniwala, which is very strong for you. Kaibigan natin pusa, okay. Cat, okay. Moon, cat, moon. Sabi dito, make time to focus on your own spiritual well-being and connect to the metaphysical world around you. Okay? Metaphysical world. That's your metaphysical world. Your belief, religion, yung pananampalataya, yung struktura noong system. Yeah? Okay? Kung papasok ka sa monasteryo, that's your calling, that's your true value, that's your true worth, move. Okay? Yung negosyo, kung gusto mong mangutang, hindi ka magdadalawang isip, mangungutang ka kasi you believe in yourself. Yan. Wala ka. And I tell you, that decision will give you that abundance you are looking for. Masakit din itong pinagdaanan mo na ito, Cancer actually. Okay? Yun ang sabi nung kaibigan nating pusa. Fellow water sign. Okay, Sagittarius. May kaibigan ka bang Sagittarius? Punong-puno ng passion ito eh. This is a Sagittarian energy. The Knight of One. Okay? Kung meron kang inspirasyon na nakuha kay Sagittarius, sabi niya, be prepared to be adaptable as plans you have laid may take an unexpected course. Yeah. Alam mo yun? Plans have laid had take unexpected course. Yeah. Meron kang desisyon na ginawa eh. Tinay mo yung dalawang sphinx na pupunta sa kanan, pupunta sa kaliwa. Okay? Offers a new position or promotion. I think I already said this. Kung nasa medical field ka, ngayon resident doctor ka na. Yeah? That's the plan na that had been laid. Take an unexpected course. Hindi mo marirealize na, hindi mo nare-realize actually, dahil nga tahimik ka rin eh. Okay? You are reaching your, not just the star, but the sun. Not just the star, not just the moon, but the sun. Yeah? Okay. This is a very positive reading. I-claim mo. Nakalimutan kong mag-offer ng kape-kape sa mga Cancer. October 1 to 7. So, salamat po and enjoy the weekend.